I don't share happy mails on my channel anymore, but I have a feeling this is something very, very special. Hello, it's Barbara from Vienna, Austria. Thank you for being here. So the reason I don't share happy mails anymore on my channel is because I have too much already from the past, and I've only scratched on the surface basically of trying to use it all. And my space is very limited because I don't have a craft room. I have everything in my living room. So I don't open happy mails on my channel because I don't want to encourage anyone to send me happy mail. As much as I appreciate the thought, and I know I've received requests in the past from you, I really, really apologize. I know you want to do something so sweet for me, and the thought means everything to me that you were willing to do that. But I just can't. I get overwhelmed and I don't know where to put the stuff, and it's just all too much. So this was one of the very, very few exceptions that I made. This package is from the lovely Eman from Egypt, from Cairo. And it is so special because my hubby is from Egypt. And of course, you'd think my hubby being from Egypt and traveling back and forth very frequently would be able to bring me beautiful stuff. But of course, he doesn't know, what I use in my journals. He just doesn't get it. So to have Eman, who I only have been in contact with briefly over Instagram, offer me to send me something special from Egypt was so dear to my heart that I just had to say yes. So Eman, you really got me with this. So I just opened this and I had a peek inside, I must admit, but I didn't unpack anything. But I just thought I just have to share this, although it's totally against what I would usually do. So let's have a look. I am so super excited, and already what I see here is just beautiful. I don't know if this was somehow wrapped around something. As you can see, Eman, I'm so sorry. Your package came fairly damaged, but I don't think anything was lost. I hope nothing was lost from it. But it's very squished and everything, so maybe something was in here that fell out. I don't know, or maybe something was taken out. You never know. Mail between our two countries is a true challenge. And Eman actually had to send this via one of these expensive express delivery companies because regular mail does not function between our two countries. So it's, I don't even want to know how much you paid for this, Emma, just to send this. So I'm lost for words for your generosity, to be honest. So I don't know what this is meant for, but I can totally imagine this as a beautiful journal closure, and it will definitely have a special place, special home someday. So this is beautiful dyed sari silk. I don't know if you dyed this yourself, Eman, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Love this color. And then I see a beautiful wooden stamp. Look at this. This is a dragonfly, and I think this might have been the reason why she wanted to send me this happy mail. I'm not sure. But this, I think, alone is something so special. Special. It's like an Egyptian dragonfly. I mean, how cool is this? I'm so going to treasure this, and I'm going to try this out at the end of the video. Oh my gosh, Emma, you are crazy. Okay, what is this? This is obviously some dyed cheesecloth. Again, I love this color. It's like a corally pink color. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. Designed and handmade by Shaima. Hope you love it. Aw. Wait, what? Did you have someone design this stamp for me? Now I don't know what to say. Eman, did you have... No, can't be. Please tell me that's not true. This is crazy. But okay, you can see how beautifully this stamps. Oh my goodness. This is so special. Okay, this I think is just packaging. Oh God, I am so excited. This is crazy. Oh, I love this papyrus paper. I remember getting a few of these on one of my Egypt trips. These are so cool. I think I might have to make like an Egyptian junk journal. What do you think? This definitely calls for that. Yeah. How gorgeous are these? Look at this. But these are like the items where you ask yourself, how can I actually use these and not just hoard them, right? Wow. They're stunning. What does this say? Challenge. Look at this cute paper bag. How adorable is this? I don't know if she... are these stamps that you colored in? Looks like this is made with a stencil and then colored in with some colored pencils. Maybe this is a stamp and she colored it with colored pencils. There is something in here, but I love the bag. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my God, Pharaoh charms. I have never seen anything like this in Egypt. Oh my goodness. Eman. Eman, this is absolutely crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, it looks like there was something in here. This has been opened. It really looks like they have opened it either at customs or somewhere along the way. Look at how beautiful Eman collaged this. Aww. Yep, there was something in here. Maybe it was this. I'm hoping that this was in here and that it's not something that was missing. Yeah, please, please, Eman, tell me. Tell me that this is what was in here. Oh my goodness, I am... This is a whole journal, maybe? Looks like a paper bag journal. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna open this last. First, I want to see what is in here. Okay, let's get rid of this packaging. Oh, is this like a jam? No. What is it? Is it coffee? I can't read Arabic. Oh, I can't read this. Eman, what is this? Again, it's got this beautiful tie here. It's definitely dyed by, I'm guessing, by Eman. What is this? Okay, I have to open this. What? It's not coffee. What is this? I can't smell anything. What on earth is this? Okay, I don't know. Eman, please write in the comments. What is this and what do I do with... Oh, I see. Here, there's actually the English word sumac. Sumac, I believe, is a spice for... I think my mother-in-law puts it on salad. Is that right? Oh, if it is, then I love it. I mean, I love it in any case because it's something I can use to either cook with or to put in salad, which I love. And my hubby will definitely know what to do with this. Oh, this is amazing. Oh. Okay, let's look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. Look, this is one of these paper clips that are apparently hand... What do you call this? You know, where you put the loops in yourself. Oh, beautiful Egyptian paper. Eman, I could cry right now, seriously. This is so special. I love these beads. There's a whole charm. Look how cute. And this here seems to be a pen. Maybe she made this herself. It's like a... Wow, it's like a stiff cardstock and like an inside of a pen. Oh my gosh, I have to try, see if that writes. Ah, it does. Oh my goodness. I have never seen a pen like this. How fun and creative is this? Eman, why can't I thank you in person? I want to meet you. I love this paper clip. And again, this cute charm. I'm gonna stick this back in here. This here, I don't know what this is. It's kind of shiny. It's like a die cut maybe. So there's obviously a signature in here because I see that there's some sewing here. And we'll see what this is here with the paper clip. Oh, some more beautiful Arabic. I love this half button. I hope that didn't break. I hope that was supposed to be like this. It's really cute. I've never seen a half button like this. Oh my goodness. Oh, and yes, some scraps. Arabic book scraps that I can use. Oh, I don't know what this means. I will ask my hubby to translate this for me. Oh, another one of these beautiful paper clips. What do we have here? So obviously there's one paper bag on the outside, and then there's one here on the inside. Yep, see, there's the other end of it. And then here is the signature. How clever you are, Iman. Aw, see, these things I never find in Egypt. These like vintage looking papers, but of course, I don't know where to look. I asked my hubby and he says you have to go to Cairo, and we are never in Cairo. We are in the Alexandria area when we go usually. If we visit his family, and if not, then we're at the beach somewhere. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so cool. Love these papers. Oh, here's another half button. How adorable. Look at this collage tag. Wow, this is also apparently coffee dyed paper. Look how dark this is. I've never seen paper dyed this dark. Maybe this was another paper bag because I've never seen it this dark. This is absolutely gorgeous. And then it opens like this, and we have a flip out. Little pocket here. Pocket here. Was this where the tag was? No, the tag was here. Again, I'm gonna ask my hubby to translate this for me. Oh, these are handmade papers. Oh my goodness. Beautiful altered paper clip. Look, I'm sure she did these herself. I don't know what kind of paints she used. Are these watercolors? No. Mom, please tell us what you used. These are just gorgeous. Wow, look at these colors. Wow. This is some more of this vintage graph paper. I don't know who he is, but it's beautiful. This looks like it might be watercolor paper. Love how grungy the edge is. Wow. This is great to make like a journaling card. Oh my goodness. Iman, you are a crazy girl. I'm speechless. I really think I'm about to cry. And this stamp, please let me know. Did you have this made? I hope you just found this by coincidence. Please, please let me know. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you because this is just too special to keep for myself in secret. Iman, obviously I'm going to write you a separate message, but wow. Iman, shukran, shukran, shukran gazilan. Thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for joining me on this very emotional unboxing. I hope you join me in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah! Mwah!